The prodigal's return. Have you ever felt lost? Like you wandered too far from God's love? This is a story of Daniel, a young man who thought he had everything, until he lost it all. But in his darkest moment, he discovered something greater than success, wealth, or adventure. Stay with us until the end to witness a powerful journey of redemption and grace that might just change your life forever. It was a quiet evening in the town of Haven Ridge, where the streets were lined with small houses and the church bell rang every Sunday morning. In one of those homes lived a young man named Daniel. He had grown up in a Christian family, raised with love and faith. His father, a devoted believer, always told him, "Son, never forget that God's love will always be with you, no matter where life takes you." But as Daniel grew older, he became restless. The world outside seemed brighter, more exciting, and filled with opportunities that his small town could never offer. He longed for adventure, success, and wealth. One day, he packed his bags, took his share of his inheritance, and left for the city, leaving behind his parents and the faith he had once embraced. At first, life in the city was thrilling. Daniel made new friends, attended lavish parties, and spent his money without a second thought. He felt free, untethered from the faith that once guided him. But as the months passed, his wealth diminished. His so-called friends disappeared. He found himself alone and broken. One night, Daniel sat on a park bench, hungry and hopeless. As he stared at the city lights in the distance, he remembered the words of his father. A tear rolled down his cheek as he whispered, "God, if you're still there, I need you." The next morning, with nothing left but the clothes on his back, Daniel decided to return home. He rehearsed an apology in his mind, unsure if his parents would even take him back. As he walked the familiar road to his childhood home, his heart pounded with fear and regret. But before he could reach the gate, he saw his father running towards him with open arms. "My son," his father cried, embracing him tightly. "You were lost, but now you are found." Overwhelmed, Daniel fell to his knees. "Father, I don't deserve your forgiveness." But his father lifted him up, his eyes filled with love. "My child, grace is not something we deserve. It's a gift, and God's love is greater than any mistake you've made." That evening, there was a feast in the house of Daniel's father. His mother wept with joy, and his younger brother rejoiced. But Daniel knew that this celebration was not just about returning home. It was about returning to God. As he knelt beside his bed that night, he prayed for the first time in years, "Lord, I strayed far from you, but you never left me. Thank you for your mercy, for welcoming me back into your love." And from that day on, Daniel lived a new life, not in pursuit of riches or fleeting pleasures, but in the unshakable peace of God's grace. Daniel's story is a reminder that no matter how far you've gone, God's love is always waiting to welcome you home. If this touched your heart, don't keep it to yourself. Share it with someone who needs to hear it. And if you want more faith-filled stories like this, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. God bless you, and see you in the next video.